She was 73, 5 feet tall, walking home with dementia, and then slammed to the ground by police. No threats, no weapons, just confusion and force. What happened next will leave you speechless. In Loveland, Colorado, a grandmother with dementia walks home after a mix-up at Walmart. She never made it back. Caught on real body cam footage, officers confront Karen Garner with flashing lights and zero patience. Instead of compassion, she's met with brute force, thrown to the ground, cuffed, and accused of resisting. No one stops to ask why she seems confused. No one considers her mental health. This isn't just a failure, it's a system breaking right before your eyes.
All right, let's stop, ma'am. I don't think you want to play it this way. Ma'am, police, stop. You want to stop, lights on, siren, stop. You just left Walmart. Do you need to be arrested right now? No. Okay. Let's stop. Come on. Come on.
I'm going home.
No, on the ground. Stay on the ground. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground. Why did you do that? I told you to stop. You don't get to act this way. Come on, stay on the ground. All right. Stand up.
I'm not doing anything.
Right now you're resisting, which is not gonna fly with me. And before that, you tried to steal from Walmart. And they caught you and took the stuff back. Stand up. Oh, boy.
I'm not going in.
Why are you fighting with me? And why are you trying to slip the cuffs off?
I'm going home.
Stop.
I'm going home.
No, you're not. Are you finished? Are you finished? We don't play this game. You understand me? If you try to kick me, oh, this is gonna be bad.
I'm going home.
Stop.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
All right, let's go to the ground. On the ground.
I'm going home.
On the ground. Why are you doing this? Let me see who she is.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to search her real quick. No, we wrestled for a minute. And she was almost got her handcuffs off. All right, stand up.
I'm going home.
All right, stand up. Oh, there we go. All right, sit down.
I'm going home.
Sit down.
I'm
down.
going home.
Get in the car.
In you go.
Do not hook onto him.
I'll come on the other side and grab her.
Where's your sergeant? Huh?
Who's my sergeant?
Yeah.
Okay, well, first, I can tell you that. Sergeant Metzler, he's at the police department. You can go talk to him if you have an issue.
Yeah, give me your car so I can put a report.
Okay.
I see you there, how you throw the little kid.
Little kid?
Well, I don't know
He's not
if
a little kid. And this
he
is what happened.
He was just walking, and I see you how
She
you
just
grab him.
stole from Walmart and refused to stop, refused to listen to lawful orders, and to fight me. This is what happens when you fight the police. I have to use force to safely detain her. That's what this is. This isn't just some random act of aggression. Here, let me see your feet. All right. Here.
I'm going
Feet up. Pick your feet up.
Okay, let's
Give me my
let's get her out over here on the ground. We can hobble her, and then we'll get her in the car. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
We will figure that out. Just leave.
Stop doing that.
I'm going home.
All right. Legs.
Don't grab me.
All right, sit down.
Pop, pop.
Okay. Got him.
I have this. Hey, we're gonna sit in the car, okay?
Credit card.
We'll get it.
My credit card.
Did we catch her here walking on foot?
Yeah, she was walking right here. The light siren, she kept walking. Said, please stop. Stop. And she looked at me, kept going, saying, no, I'm going home. So I went up to grab her, started pulling away from me and stuff like that. So I was by myself, so we went to the ground. We struggled and rolled for a little bit.
I see that.
Yeah. And then I got her detained. She showed up while I had her up against the car because I couldn't get her in the car and all that stuff. So we struggled over there for a little while. And then we brought her into this car because mine was locked. And she wouldn't get in. She'd get in, wiggle out, get in, wiggle out, all this stuff. And then finally, we're like, let's get to the ground, get her in a hobble. Hold that for me. And that's a good idea. She's a frail little thing, but she's riley. We going to the female side or male side? There's an uncooperative cell. Hey, you got the door open. Come on, Karen.
I'm gonna run.
You're gonna run? Oh, good thing we got the hot pump.
You guys grab her arms.
Yep. We got her.
Ouch.
That's okay.
Ow.
We got you. We got you.
I was gonna pay for it.
But you didn't. Where do we want her at?
Right here.
Okay. Probably want to take that hobble off and leave it in there.
Put your knees on the bench. Put your knees on the bench.
Just lay her flat.
Okay.
There we go.
Do not kick me.
Sit you up. Come on, let's sit. Dude, don't kick anybody. All right, Karen, you stay right there.
She told them she was going home. She couldn't understand their commands, but they didn't care. They laughed. They dragged her. They called her 20 pounds, like it made what they did less cruel. No medical check, no recognition of her dementia, just charges, bruises, and silence. If this is how we treat our most vulnerable, what does that say about the ones in power? This isn't about policy. It's about humanity, lost in plain sight.